Your gut is often called your second brain, and for good reason. It influences everything from your mood and energy levels to your immune system and skin health. Yet most people don't realize when their digestive system is struggling, until the symptoms become too loud to ignore. The gut is a complex network of trillions of microorganisms, nerves, and muscles that work together to break down food, absorb nutrients, and eliminate waste. When this system gets out of balance, it can silently impact nearly every part of your body. So how can you tell if your gut is trying to send you a warning? Let's explore some of the most common signs of gut problems and how the right nutrition can bring your digestive health back into harmony. The first major sign is your persistent bloating and discomfort after eating. Occasional bloating can happen to anyone, especially after eating a heavy meal. But if you feel swollen or tight in your stomach regularly, even after small portions, it could mean your gut microbiome is imbalanced. This often happens when harmful bacteria outnumber the beneficial ones that help break down food efficiently. It can also indicate food intolerances, like sensitivity to lactose, gluten, or certain fermentable sugars. Keeping a food diary can help you identify patterns and discover which foods trigger the discomfort. Once you identify them, removing or reducing those foods can dramatically improve your digestion. The second sign is irregular bowel movements. Healthy digestion usually means 1 to 2 comfortable bowel movements per day. If you find yourself constipated, straining, or visiting the bathroom too often, your gut is telling you something. Constipation may result from insufficient fiber, dehydration, or a sluggish gut caused by low activity levels. On the other hand, frequent diarrhea can be a response to inflammation, food sensitivities, or gut infections. Regularity is the rhythm of a healthy gut. When that rhythm breaks, the body's balance suffers. The third sign is a chronic fatigue and low energy. Many people don't connect their energy levels with their gut, but the connection is real and profound. If your body isn't absorbing nutrients properly due to inflammation or an unhealthy microbiome, your cells don't get the fuel they need. Over time, this leads to constant tiredness, brain fog, and difficulty focusing. Additionally, up to 90% of serotonin, the feel-good hormone, is produced in the gut. When gut health declines, mood and motivation often follow. If you wake up tired even after enough sleep, your digestion could be playing a hidden role. Another subtle but powerful sign is skin problems, like acne, eczema, or dullness. The gut and skin communicate through what's known as the gut-skin axis. When the gut barrier is compromised, toxins and undigested particles can leak into the bloodstream, a condition known as leaky gut. This triggers inflammation throughout the body, often showing up on your skin. A healthy gut, rich in diverse bacteria and balanced digestion, promotes clearer, brighter, and more resilient skin. In many cases, treating the gut from within brings visible transformation to the outside. The fifth sign to watch for is frequent food cravings, especially for sugar or processed foods. When your gut bacteria are imbalanced, the bad bacteria often crave sugar because it's their main fuel source. This creates a vicious cycle. Eating more sugar feeds the wrong microbes, which increases inflammation and further weakens digestion. Over time, these cravings can make it nearly impossible to maintain a balanced diet. Learning to reset your gut with nourishing, whole foods can break that cycle and restore natural hunger cues. Now let's talk about what you can do to heal and support your gut through proper nutrition. The first and most important step is to eat more fiber. Fiber acts like a gentle broom that sweeps your digestive tract clean, supporting regularity and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Aim to include a variety of fiber sources: fruits like apples and berries, vegetables like broccoli and spinach, legumes like lentils and chickpeas, and whole grains like oats and quinoa. The second step is to embrace fermented foods. These foods naturally contain probiotics, living microorganisms that strengthen your gut microbiome. Examples include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso. Introducing these into your diet can help balance the bacterial ecosystem in your gut and reduce bloating, inflammation, and irregularity. Next, prioritize hydration. Water is crucial for digestion. It softens stool, helps nutrients move through the intestines, and prevents toxins from accumulating. Many digestive issues improve simply by drinking more water throughout the day. Herbal teas such as peppermint, ginger, and chamomile can also soothe the gut lining and promote comfort after meals. Another essential step is reducing processed and inflammatory foods. Refined sugars, fried foods, artificial additives, and excessive alcohol can damage the gut lining and disrupt the microbiome. Instead, focus on whole natural foods that come directly from the earth. The fewer ingredients on the label, the better it is for your gut. Lastly, remember that your digestive system thrives on rhythm. Try to eat at consistent times, chew slowly, and avoid eating in stressful or rushed conditions. Digestion starts in the mind. When you're relaxed and mindful, your body produces the right enzymes and acids to break down food properly. That's why managing stress through breathing, rest, and balance is also essential for gut health. Your gut listens not only to what you eat, but also to how you live. Let's dive deeper into how to rebuild and maintain a strong digestive system that supports every aspect of your well-being. Your gut doesn't just digest food. It teaches your immune system how to respond, helps regulate hormones, and influences how you think and feel. Restoring gut balance is less about drastic diets and more about cultivating long-term habits that nourish your body from within. Start with diversity in your diet. Your microbiome, the collection of bacteria living inside you, thrives on variety. When you eat the same limited foods every day, certain bacterial strains dominate and others fade away. This lack of diversity weakens your resilience to stress and illness. Instead, aim to eat the rainbow. Include different colors of fruits and vegetables each week. Each color represents a unique set of phytonutrients that support different microbes and protect your cells. Think of your plate as a garden. The more variety you plant, the healthier your ecosystem becomes. The next key step is on supporting your gut lining. The gut lining acts as a protective barrier between what you eat and your bloodstream. When it's damaged by processed foods, stress, or infections, inflammation spreads throughout the body. To repair it, focus on nutrients like zinc, L-glutamine, and omega-3 fatty acids found in foods such as salmon, walnuts, eggs, and bone broth. These help rebuild the intestinal wall and reduce inflammation. Adding collagen or gelatin-rich foods can also strengthen the gut lining and promote healing. Equally important is the bee-mind-gut connection. Chronic stress directly interferes with digestion by slowing down stomach emptying and altering gut bacteria composition. This means that no matter how well you eat, your gut won't fully benefit if your nervous system is constantly on alert. Practicing mindfulness, yoga, or even simple daily gratitude can reset your nervous system and allow your gut to function optimally. When your mind relaxes, your gut relaxes too. Sleep is another critical yet overlooked factor in digestive health. Poor sleep disrupts hormones like cortisol and ghrelin, which regulate hunger and metabolism. Try to maintain a consistent sleep routine and aim for 7 to 8 hours per night. Your gut bacteria also follow a circadian rhythm, so going to bed and waking up at regular times keeps both your brain and gut in sync. Next, let's talk about listening to your body's feedback. Every person's gut is unique. What nourishes one person may irritate another. Pay attention to how your body responds to different foods. If you notice fatigue, headaches, bloating, or mood swings after eating something, take note. These are signals, not inconveniences. Your body communicates through sensations long before lab results ever do. Respecting these signals builds trust between you and your body, trust that is essential for lasting health. If you've had long-standing digestive issues, consider seeking professional guidance. Functional medicine practitioners or registered dietitians can help identify deeper causes, such as small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, SIBO, enzyme deficiencies, or hidden food sensitivities. Gut healing takes time, but with the right guidance and patience, it is absolutely achievable. Don't forget the emotional side of eating. Food is not just fuel, it's connection, comfort, and culture. Eating in a calm, grateful state helps the body digest and absorb better. Try creating a peaceful environment for your meals. Sit down, put away screens, and take a few deep breaths before your first bite. This small ritual signals to your brain that it's time to digest and rest. Over time, as you apply these habits, diverse nutrition, hydration, stress management, and mindful eating, you'll begin to notice powerful changes. Your digestion becomes smoother, your energy more stable, your skin clearer, and your mind calmer. These are all signs that your gut ecosystem is flourishing again.